Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about Keya, the Urban Forest, a premium residential development located at Kasavanahalli off Sarjapur Road, Bengaluru. If you are looking for a home that combines luxury, green, open space, and excellent connectivity to Bangalore's major IT hub, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will take you through the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, apartment configuration, pricing, position timeline, and booking details. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Developed by Keya Homes, Keya the Urban Forest is a thoughtfully designed for those who want a premium lifestyle surrounded by nature. Spread across 8.5 acres, the project offers 727 exclusive residences with an impressive 83% open space, beautifully landscaped garden, and thoughtfully planned high-rise towers. One of the standout features of this project is its limited apartment per floor, giving residents more privacy and a peaceful living experience. Along with the premium specification, the project also features a 35,000 square feet sports arena, a signature biopond, and beautifully planned green spaces that make everyday living feel refreshing. Whether you are buying a home for your family or planning a long-term investment, Keya the Urban Forest offers an excellent combination of luxury, comfort, and future growth. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So one of the biggest advantage of this project is its location. Located at Kasavanahalli of Sarjapur Road, the project enjoys seamless connectivity to Bengaluru's major IT park, business hubs, schools, hospitals, and entertainment destination. Sarjapur Road is just 2 minutes away, Wipro Corporate Office is only 3 minutes away, while Outer Ring Road is around 10 minutes away from the project. Both RM's EcoSpace and EcoWorld Tech Park can be reached in about 10 to 15 minutes. HSR layout is around 15 to 20 minutes away, and metro station is approximately 20 minutes away from here. For healthcare, Manipal Hospital on Sarjapur Road is just 10 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport can be reached in around 60 to 75 minutes. With such excellent connectivity, daily commuting becomes much easier, especially for working professionals. And when it comes to lifestyle, Keya the Urban Forest has been designed to offer something for every member of the family. The project features 83% landscape open spaces, creating a refreshing environment surrounded by greenery. Residents can enjoy a massive 35,000 square feet sports arena, a beautiful signature biopond with a capacity of 40 lakh liters, and selected homes even offer lake view. You will also find a premium clubhouse, modern fitness and wellness facilities, dedicated children play area, two-car parking, and several thoughtfully planned lifestyle amenities that make everyday living more comfortable and enjoyable. Now let's take a look at the apartment configuration. So the 2 BHK apartment have a super built-up area of approximately 1,351 square feet with the prices starting from 1.70 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK homes offer 1,710 square feet and starts from 2.14 crore rupees onwards. If you are looking for something larger, the 3 BHK grand apartments come with a 1,910 square feet and the priced from 2.39 crore rupees onwards. The 4 BHK residences offer 2,387 square feet and starting price is 3 crore rupees. And the spacious 4 BHK grand homes features 2,610 square feet with the prices starting from 3.30 crore rupees onwards. And please note that these prices are exclusive of PLC, floor rise charges, and registration charges. Every apartment has been designed with efficient floor plans, larger living and dining spaces, excellent natural light, cross ventilation, premium specification, and selected residences even offer beautiful lake view. The RERA completion timeline is December 2028, and for buyers planning to finance their purchase, home loans are available with interest rates starting from 7.50% per annum, and funding is available for up to 90% of the total property cost, making home ownership even more convenient. Bookings are now open for this premium residential development, and for brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.